Examples of solving the eigenvalues and eigenvector. Here I am continuing the example. So find all the eigenvalues and the corresponding eigenvectors. Find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors for the matrix A equal to 7 minus 2 0 minus 2 6 minus 2 0 minus 2 5. So find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors for this corresponding matrix here. So our first step of solving the example is find the characteristic equation. So that is A minus lambda I equal to 0. So that 7 minus lambda minus 2 0 minus 2 6 minus lambda minus 2 0 minus 2 5 minus lambda equal to 0. Now we have to open the determinant. 7 minus lambda into bracket 6 minus lambda into 5 minus lambda minus 2 into minus 2 is 4 plus 2 into, because minus of minus plus 2. So minus 2 into 5 minus lambda minus 0 into minus 2 is 0. So 0 into something becomes a 0. So open all the brackets. So we get the equation, that is, on a simplification we get, so open first 7 minus lambda into bracket 6 into 5 30, 6 into minus lambda minus 6 lambda minus lambda into 5 minus 5 lambda minus into minus plus lambda square minus 4 plus 2 into minus 2 into 5 minus 10 minus 2 into minus lambda plus 2 lambda minus 0 is 0 equal to 0. 7 minus lambda into bracket 30 minus 4 is 26 minus 6 lambda minus 5 lambda is minus 11 lambda plus lambda square plus 2 into minus 10 plus 2 lambda equal to 0. Open all the brackets and simplify. On a simplification we get minus lambda cube plus 18 lambda square plus 99 lambda minus 162 equal to 0. So that we have get a equation that is called characteristic equation. You can take the minus sign common and we can send it on RHS side. That we get lambda cube minus 18 lambda square minus 99 lambda plus 162 equal to 0. Sorry, here it is plus 99 lambda. So that is the characteristic equation. Lambda cube minus 18 lambda square plus 99 lambda minus 162. So this is also plus minus 162 is equal to 0. So that we get the characteristic equation. So now using this characteristic equation, now we have to simplify the values of the lambda. Here to simplify the value of the lambda, the procedure we have to going to apply now. So here you cannot solve this by the any factorization, so we cannot apply any factorization here. So if we can't apply the factorization, the remaining procedure we left, that is inspection method and synthetic division. So inspection method, so I'm going to clearly explain the procedure here. So first is inspection method. So So inspection method means using the inspection method we are going to find only one value of the lambda here. Here inspection method will be used to find only one value of the lambda. Here it is cubic equation means we have to get a 3 values of the lambda here. So that one value of the lambda will be found by the inspection method. The inspection method means we have to start assuming the values of the lambda here by taking the values, that is 0, plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, minus 3, so on. We have to start the assuming by the 0 first. First we have to put a lambda equal to 0 in the LHS. If you put a lambda equal to 0, that should be converted to an entire equation 0. Means LHS must be equal to RHS. Then we consider lambda equal to 0 is the root. Suppose this is not equal to 0, then move to the plus 1. Put a lambda equal to plus 1. If the entire term tends to 0, then we take a lambda equal to 1 is the eigen vector. Suppose it is, eigen root. Suppose it is not equal, then move to the minus 1. If again minus 1 is not satisfied, move to the 2. Then move to the minus 1 and continue the procedure. So I start the procedure here. When you put a lambda equal to 0, this term is cancelled, this term is cancelled, this term is cancelled, we left with a minus 62. So that equation is not satisfied. So lambda equal to 0 is cancelled. Come to the plus 1. 1 minus 80 plus 99 minus 162 not equal to 0. Now put lambda equal to minus 1. Minus 1 minus 18 minus 99 minus 162 not satisfied. Put a 2. 8 4 into minus 18 plus 19 into 2 minus 162. Again lambda is not equal to 0. So on continuing, at a lambda equal to 3, at the value of lambda equal to 3, we get a satisfaction of this equation. You can make the cross check. Lambda equal to 3. 3 cube is 27 minus 8 into 3 square is 9 plus 99 into 3 minus 162 equal to 0. You can open the bracket and make the simplification. So 27 minus 18 into 9. So 162 plus 99 into 3. 297 minus 162. So take the simplification. You will get a 324 minus 324. That is equal to 0. 324 get cancelled. So the 0 equal to 0. So equation is satisfied. So therefore lambda equal to 3 is the value of the eigenroot, or you can simply call the root by the inspection. Thus lambda equal to 3 is a root by inspection. So now the other two roots will be found by the synthetic division. Other two roots will be found by synthetic division. So what is the synthetic division? How to find? See here, inspection method, whatever we have obtained now, what is the inspection method, whatever we have done now. So from this now we are moving to the, we have already found the one root. So here it is cubic means another two will be found. So that is synthetic division. Synthetic division. So synthetic division method will be applied. Now see the carefully. I am going to apply the synthetic division method now. First we have to write down all the coefficients of this characteristic equation. Coefficient of lambda cube is 1. Coefficient of lambda square is minus 18. Coefficient of lambda is 99. Coefficient of constant is minus 162. Suppose any equations like lambda cube plus 0 lambda square, or else lambda square is not present. Simply suppose 8 lambda. Simply 8 lambda means coefficient of lambda square is 0. So in that case you have to take here 0 only. Don't left that. You have to write down compulsory all the coefficients in serially constant lambda, lambda square and lambda cube. Compulsory you have to write. If there is no term present, then you have to take a 0. Then first take and then take a root that we have obtained by the inspection. So next procedure. So start with the 0 here. So we have to start with the 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 18 plus 3 is minus 15. Minus 15 into 3 is minus 45. Plus 99 minus 45 is plus 54. 54 into 3, 162. Plus 162 minus 162 will be 0. Start with the 0. It must to end with the 0. So when we start with the 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 1 into 3 is plus 3. Plus 3 minus 18 is minus 15. Minus 15 into 3 is minus 45. Minus 45 plus 99 is plus 54. Plus 54 into 3 is 162. Plus 162 minus 162 will be 0. Now this will be the constant coefficient. This will be the coefficient of lambda. This will be the coefficient of lambda square. Means lambda square minus 15 lambda plus 54 equal to 0. Coefficient of constant, coefficient of lambda, coefficient of lambda square. So lambda square minus 15 lambda plus 54 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. So on the simplification, we get lambda minus, so just split the quadratic equation, you will get a lambda equal to 6, 9. So lambda equal to 3, 6 and 9 are the eigen roots or roots of the given characteristic equation. So we get the three values of the lambda, that is lambda equal to 3, 6, 9 are the eigen roots or the eigen values. So now come to the case 1. In the case 1, when lambda equal to 3, so before coming to the case, first we have to write down the characteristic. So using the equation, that is a minus lambda I of x equal to 0, we have to write down the system of equations, that is 7 minus lambda into x minus 2y plus 0 z equal to 0. Next minus 2x plus 6 minus lambda y minus 2z equal to 0. Next 0x minus 2y plus 5 minus lambda of z equal to 0. Now come to the case 1. Call this one as equation 1. In the case 1, when lambda equal to 3, 7 minus 3, 4x minus 2y plus 0z equal to 0. Next minus 2x, 6 minus 3 is plus 3y minus 2z equal to 0. Next 0x minus 2y, 5 minus 3 is plus 2z equal to 0. So using these three equations, now we have to find out the values of the x, y, z. Those are called the eigenvectors of a matrix. So use any two equations here. So I will use a 1, 2, 3. Using a 1 and 2. By the cross multiplication, x divided by minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 minus 3 into 0 is 0. Minus y divided by 4 into minus 2 minus 8 minus 2 into 0, 0. Z divided by 4 into 3, 12 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. That is x by 4 minus minus cancelled, y by 8, z by 8. So everywhere there is a 4 common, take it out, you will be get x by 1, y by 2, z by 2. So therefore x1 equal to 1, 2, 2 is the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda equal to 3. So next go to the second case, when lambda equal to 6. So when lambda equal to 6, so our equations are 7 minus 6 x minus 2y plus 0z equal to 0, minus 2x, 6 minus 6 is 0y, minus 2z equal to 0. Next, third one, 0x minus 2y, 5 minus 6 is minus 1 into z equal to 0. So call this one as 4, 5, 6. Consider any two equations. I am considering fourth and fifth. So by the fourth and fifth, the cross multiplication becomes x divided by minus into minus plus 4, 0 into 0 is 4, minus y divided by 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, minus 2 into 0 is 0, z divided by 1 into 0 is 0, minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. So take everywhere 2 common, x by 2, minus minus cancelled, y by 1, z by minus 2. Therefore x2 equal to 2, 1 minus 2. 2, 1 minus 2 is the eigenvector corresponding to the lambda equal to 6. So move to the next case, that is third one, when lambda equal to 9. Case 3. So when lambda equal to 9, 7 minus 9 minus 2x minus 2y plus 0z equal to 0. Next, minus 2x minus 3y, because 6 minus 9 is minus 3, minus 3y minus 2z equal to 0. Next, 0x minus 2y, 5 minus 9 is minus 4z equal to 0. So call this one as 7, 8, 9. So using the 7 and 8, x divided by minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 0, 0, minus y divided by minus 2 into minus 2, 4, 2 into 0, 0, z divided by minus 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus 2 into minus 2, 4. Minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. So x divided by 4, y divided by minus 4, z divided by 2. So simplify with the 2, x by 2, y by minus 2, z by 1. So therefore the eigenvector is equal to 2, minus 2, 1 are the eigenvector corresponding to the lambda. x3 is the eigenvector corresponding to the lambda corresponding to the lambda equal to 9. So that is procedure of finding the eigenvalue and eigenvector. Take on the next example, that is the vector A, matrix A equal to minus 2, 2, minus 3, 2, 1, minus 6, minus 1, minus 2, 0. Find the eigenvalue and eigenvector of the matrix. So come to the solution here. First I am going to write the A minus lambda, minus 2 minus lambda, 2 minus 1, 1 minus lambda, minus 2, minus 3, minus 6, 0 minus lambda is minus lambda equal to 0. Now open the determinant. Minus 2 minus lambda into bracket 1 minus lambda into minus lambda minus 2 into minus 6 is plus 12. Minus 2 into minus lambda is minus 2 lambda minus 1 into 6 is 6 minus 3 into 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 minus 1 into 1 minus lambda is plus 1 minus lambda equal to 0. So minus 2 minus lambda into bracket 1 minus lambda into minus lambda minus 12. Open the bracket here, you will get a minus lambda plus lambda square minus 12. Minus 2 into, take this bracket term inside, that becomes minus 2 into minus 4. Sorry, minus 2 into minus 2 lambda is plus 4 lambda, minus into minus plus 6, 2 into 6 is 12. Next, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9. Minus into minus plus 3 lambda equal to 0. So minus lambda square minus lambda minus 12 is a quadratic equation. If we simplify this quadratic equation, then we get a lambda plus 3 into lambda minus 4. So we get this quadratic equation on simplification. Here also minus 2 minus lambda will be keeping as it is. And here if I take the 4 common, remaining is lambda plus 3. Here if I take the 3 common, then it is lambda plus 3. Everywhere there is a lambda plus 3 is common. Take a lambda plus 3 common. Remaining is minus 2 minus lambda into lambda minus 4 plus 4 plus 3 equal to 0. Open the bracket and simplify. You will get a lambda 3 into bracket minus lambda square plus 2 lambda plus 15 equal to 0. On a simplification of this one, we get a lambda plus 3 into lambda square minus lambda square plus 2 lambda plus 15. If you take the minus sign common and if you send it outside, then it becomes lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 15 equal to 0. Again simplify this quadratic equation. Here lambda plus 3 equal to 0, then lambda equal to minus 3. Lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 15 equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation. You will get the lambda equal to minus 3 comma 5. So that we have lambda equal to minus 3 and 5. Here the two eigenvalues are equal. Come to the case. First we have to write down this system of equations. Minus 2 minus lambda into x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 0. 2x plus 1 minus lambda into y minus 6z equal to 0. Minus x minus 2y minus lambda into z equal to 0. Come to the case 1. When lambda equal to minus 3. When lambda equal to minus 3 minus 2 minus 5x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 0. 2x when lambda equal to minus 3, minus of minus plus 4y minus 6z equal to 0. Minus x minus 2y when lambda equal to minus 3, minus of minus plus 3z equal to 0. See here, it should be observed that the equation when x equal to lambda minus 3, minus of minus plus 3, it will be x minus x plus 3 plus x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 6z equal to 0. Minus x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 0. See here, all the three equations are dependent to each other. If I take the 2 common here, is the first and 2 are equal? If I take the minus sign common here, is it equal to the first equation? Means when I take here the 2 common, if I send it to outside, and if I take the minus sign common and if I send it to the RHS side, then all the three equations are equal. So all the three equations are dependent to each other. So all the three equations are similar if there is some common term taken outside, and if it is sent to the RHS side, all the three terms are equal here. Means we have only one independent equation. We have only one independent equation. So therefore that is x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 0 is the only one independent equation here. So in this case, rule of cross multiplication will not be applied. So if the rule of cross multiplication is not applied, we have to choose a values arbitrarily. So two variables can be chosen. Two variables can be chosen arbitrarily. Two variables can be chosen arbitrarily. So choose first for the y and z. I will choose z equal to k1, y equal to k2. If x equal to z1, y equal to k2, this becomes x equal to 3k1 minus 2k2. Send a y and z terms to the RHS side and put a y and z. Then you will get a x equal to 3k1 minus 2k2. So that our characteristic equations, our eigenroot is, for the eigenroot lambda equal to minus 3, we get the eigenvector x equal to 3k1 minus 2k2, y equal to k2, z equal to k1 is the eigenvector. For the corresponding eigenvalue lambda equal to minus 3. So next come to the case 2. Lambda equal to 5. When lambda equal to 5, the corresponding equations are minus 7x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 0. 2x minus 4y minus 6z equal to 0. Minus x minus 2y minus 5z equal to 0. So choose here all the three equations are independent to each other. So no one can be dependent on each other. So that I am using the rule of the cross multiplication for these two equations. So x divided by 2 into minus 6 is minus 12 minus 4 into 3 is 12 minus y divided by minus 7 into 6. Minus 7 into minus 6 is 42 minus 3 into 2 minus 6 minus of minus plus 6. Z divided by minus 7 into minus 4 minus of minus plus 7 into 4 28 minus 2 into 2 4. So x divided by minus 24, y divided by, we'll take the minus sign here, 42 plus 6, 48. Z divided by 28 minus 4, 24. So x divided by the 24 minus 1 minus 2, 2. So that we get x, y, z means roots are. Either you can divide it by the simply 24, or else also you can divide it by the minus 24 also. So as convenient you can take it. So our roots are, so for the root lambda equal to 5, the eigenvector is minus 1, minus 2, 2. Or also we can write it as 1, 2, minus 2. Sorry, minus, sorry, 1. 1. So 1 minus 2, 1, or 1, 2, minus 1 is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda, corresponding to the lambda 5. So that is our eigenvector for the corresponding value of the lambda equal to 5. So just keep the thing that is important thing, that is when the equations are dependent to each other, so we can, so when these kinds of equations means when the equations are dependent to each other, then we cannot find out the values, means we cannot find the values by the rule of cross multiplication. In that case we have to choose any two variables arbitrarily. Generally k1 and k2 will be chosen, and another variable will be found by the resubstitution. So that is our eigenvector corresponding to the lambda equal to minus 3. Here k1 and k2 will be chosen not as simultaneously 0. k1, k2 are not simultaneously 0. Simultaneously 0, because when both are 0, all x, y, z means entire eigenvector becomes a 0. So that it is not possible. So that k1 and k2 will not be 0 simultaneously. So that is the important part in this example.